Arzu, thank you very much. I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast as we are also learning that Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh has met the family of the victim Shubham Dwivedi of the Pahalgam terror attack, and also in fact after meeting with the family of the victims who were brutally killed in front of their family members and gunned down by the terrorists, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh has said that family has lost a young son. He had gotten married merely 2 months ago and terrorists showed no, in fact, mercy, but only cruelty. Husband was killed in front of wife. We cannot compensate for the loss of the family, unquote. But the government should give those terrorists a reply in their own language. Now, let's also listen in to what Sanjay Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party MP, has said.
पहाड़ जैसा दुख इनके परिवार के ऊपर आ पड़ा है। जवान बेटा जिसकी 2 महीने पहले शादी हुई थी, इतनी क्रूरता, इतनी निर्दयता, इतनी दरिंदगी उन आतंकवादियों ने दिखाई, पत्नी के सामने पति को मार दिया। अब इनके परिवार के ऊपर जो दुख आन पड़ा है उसकी भरपाई तो दुनिया में कोई नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन सरकार को उन आतंकवादियों को उन्हीं की भाषा में जवाब देना चाहिए। उनको बर्बाद करना चाहिए, उनको समाप्त करना चाहिए, उनके कैंप समाप्त करने चाहिए। और हम सब लोगों ने खुल के कहा कि हम सरकार के साथ।
All right, Arzu is joining me live on the broadcast with more details. Arzu, now we are hearing from the Aam Aadmi Party MP, and largely the opposition is also coming together with the centre to reply, at least to respond to Pakistan for these terrorist acts. They have killed the people, in fact, in the most brutal and the heart-wrenching manner. And now Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh has also categorically asked the government to reply to these terrorists for their acts to be paid in their own language.
Definitely, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh has expressed, his condolences to the family of Shubham Dwivedi and a victim of the Pahalgam terror attack, and stating that this family has suffered an irreplaceable loss, having lost their younger son just 2 months after his marriage, and also the terrorist cruelty is evident in the horrific manner in which Shubham was killed in front of his wife. Sanjay Singh also emphasized the need for a strong response from the government, saying that we can't compensate for the loss of this family, but the government should take the decision, against the terrorists, and there should be a action against the terrorists, strict action against the terrorists, and they must be held accountable and dealt with in manner that reflect the severity of their action. And we stand in solidarity with the victims, and also he extended his support for the government in this matter. So yes, as far as the opposition is concerned, whether it's Rahul Gandhi, Congress leader, or Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh, they all are saying that they are with the government. Any action that the government takes as far as the Pahalgam, terror attack in response.
All right, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing more details and adding information. Now, viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Till then, stay with us.
Co-powered by PolicyBazaar.com.